Santa Claus's elf must have wrapped that really
Yeah,
good.
really strong. Here, I bet you can get it now.
See, Liam's showing you how to unwrap presents. You gotta watch good. Watch how Liam shows you.
Who wrapped that? Santa Claus.
Ooh!
Didn't you see Santa Claus on the Polar Express?
Wow!
Ooh.
Green car.
The green car.